Hi, my name's Jada from Rio Rhythmics Latin Dance Academy, improving lives through Latin dance, culture and community. Today I wanted to talk to you about some of our most frequently asked questions. The first one is, do I need prior experience? And the answer is no, absolutely not. In the first lesson, we'll start from the very basics, connecting with a partner and moving around the dance floor. The second question is, do I need a partner? Again, the answer is no, you don't need a partner. Can you bring one? Yes, you absolutely can. You can come on your own, you can come with your partner, you can come with a friend, or why not a whole group of friends. We also get asked what the age range is of our students. We've had students right up into their 80s. The majority of our students are between 25 and 55 and everywhere in between. Where are we? We're in the centre of West End on Boundary Street, surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and bars, so it's a great way to create a really social night for yourself every week. Of course, you'll want to know what time the classes are. There are a variety of different times for our starter courses, so you'll find us here 7 days a week with a variety of different times. Come and see us to find out which one will suit you best. What should you wear to your first dance class? Something really comfortable and easy to move in, something you feel good in. We have people coming straight from work, we have people coming more in gym kind of clothes or something really casual. It's super casual, so come in something that you're comfortable wearing and something that you can get moving in. As far as shoes, the best thing is to wear a leather sole or a really hard rubber soled shoe. You don't have to go out and buy dance shoes to get started with. That can come later on. Just make sure they're not slip-on shoes though, because they need to be secure on your feet. It's a really welcoming and supportive environment, so as we said, you can come on your own, no matter your age. It's a great place to get started with Latin dancing.